Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share my thoughts after 1 month with my 2016 Smart for 2. Now I still own my big Audi Q7 TDI, so this isn't a swap, more of a comparison between two cars that couldn't be more different. It's only got 29,000 miles on it, super clean, and I've even tinted the windows to help with that hot Virginia sun. Now, first impressions. Even though this car looks tiny from the outside, once you get in, it's a completely different story. I'm 6 feet tall and there's actually plenty of room in here. It doesn't feel cramped at all, more like a small cockpit than a tiny car. The engine's running great. You might notice a slight squeak from the belt, which I'll be replacing soon. But mechanically, everything feels solid. And get this, after a month of driving, I've used only 5 gallons of premium gas. Coming from a big diesel SUV, the Smart feels like a breath of fresh air. It's quick, agile, and perfect for city driving. The Q7's still amazing for long trips and comfort, but the Smart has its own charm for everyday use. How do you think I should take care of this little Smart for 2 if I want to keep it forever? Share your tips, experience, or any advice you have down in the comments. I'd really love to read your thoughts. Alright, let's take a quick look at the trunk. Or should I say, the back pocket of the Smart for 2. For such a tiny car, it's actually not bad at all. You've got enough room here for a few grocery bags, a backpack, or even a small suitcase if you pack smart, no pun intended. What's nice is that the split tailgate design makes loading super easy. You can drop the bottom half like a mini pickup bed while the top glass still lifts up. Perfect if you want to grab something quickly without everything falling out. Now, sure, you're not fitting Q7 level luggage in here, but for daily errands or a trip to the farmer's market, it's just right. Plus, since you've only got 2 seats, all the space behind them is yours to use however you want. Fold the seats down, and you can actually fit more than people expect. So yeah, it's compact, but practical, a real example of how smart design makes the most of small space. Just recently, I did 2 back-to-back trips, beside on about 250 miles one way each. With the Q7, and I have to say, on long distances, the Audi Q7 is definitely my first choice and the safest one. It's built for those highway miles. So now I'm curious, which one would you pick? The big, powerful Audi Q7, or the small, efficient Smart for 2? Let me know your choice in the comments below.